In the previous video, we just scaffolded a React app with Vite. In this video, we're going to go over setting up the basic application routing for our React app. So to get started, the first thing we're going to do is run npm install react router DOM. React router DOM is an npm package that is basically the fundamental React routing package. It's used in pretty much every React application. So now that we have the React router DOM library installed in the root directory, the next thing that we're going to want to do is come to our app.tsx file, which is found in our source directory. Again, we scaffolded this project through Vite. If you used another sort of scaffolding like Create React App, you likely have an app component here. In our case, this is just serving up a basic visual. And what we're going to want to do is actually repurpose this into our own home component. So we're going to copy all the code from app, and that is going to be our home component. And then what we're going to want to do here is repurpose our app component to actually be our browser routing. So we're going to declare a browser router here. As you can see above, the browser router import has been added from React Router DOM, which is a library we added in the first step. And now we're going to declare our routes. So routes, and then we're going to declare our first route here, give it a path of root, so just a backslash, and this is going to be our home component that we had. So we're going to call it element is the property name when declaring a route. We're going to call it home because that is the name of our component above. And then we're going to add our imports from React Router DOM. And now let's go check out our browser and see if that loaded properly. Okay, so coming back, looking at the browser, as you can see, we can reload it. It is just the basic Vite and React landing page that was there originally. The routing still works. This is now our home route. And now let's go back and just add one more route just to ensure that we can navigate to a second page. Okay, so now let's come back, and what we'll do is just create an about component here, similar to the home component, except this one is just going to return something like this is the about page, just to ensure we have the correct landing page that we're on. We're going to give this a path of /about with an element that's going to return the about component. Okay, let's go load the browser and check that out. So if we go and just type in the URL /about, we can see this is the about page. And if we go back to just the base URL, it's going to serve us back up the home component that we have, which was the original Vite and React visual. So if this video helped you in any way, please like and subscribe to the channel. There's going to be way more videos coming here in this React series.